Welcome to this tutorial video on your weekend choices in the budget game. You'll learn to maintain work-life balance by deciding how to spend your weekends. At the end of each week, a pop-up lets you choose to work extra hours, socialize, do chores, or focus on studying or professional development if you're on full-time mode. Each option launches a different minigame with its own challenges and rewards. Choosing to work extra hours is a great way to boost your budget. The money you earn is added directly to your next paycheck. Part-time students can play the cafe minigame, where you race against a 1-minute clock to serve orders and clear dishes to free up tables. Alternatively, full-time employees play the classic slide puzzle to earn extra cash. Choosing to socialize boosts your quality of life points through the time management minigame. You'll plan your Saturday by selecting events across the city, balancing their cost, duration, and rewards. Be sure to factor in travel time between neighborhoods so you can fit in as many activities as possible. If funds are tight, you can relax at home for free. But since most events cost money, you'll need to balance the cost of going out against your savings goals. Selecting household chores launches the comparison shopping minigame. For every item on your list, you'll be presented with 3 different options. Your goal is to find which option offers the best value, not just the lowest price. At checkout, you'll earn quality of life points based on your choices, plus a smart shopper bonus if you chose the top deals. So watch out for random sales that change each week. When you choose to study or work on professional development, you'll launch the Wealth Whiz quiz. Hosted by Tia, this mini-game challenges you with 10 multiple-choice questions on various financial topics. There is no time limit, so take as much time as you need to pick the right answer. You'll earn 20 bonus points for every correct answer and lose 5 points if you get one wrong. The bonus points you earn are added to your quality of life score. If you're playing as a student, this mini-game helps you graduate with a higher starting salary. If you're on full-time mode, your score will go towards your next promotion. As you progress, try to split your time evenly between these activities. Ignoring one area for too long has consequences, such as a pricey cockroach infestation if you skip your household chores. Thanks for watching.